The DJI Avata transformed first-person view flying with its compact cine-hoop design, reaching speeds of up to 97 kilometers per hour, while capturing stabilized 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Now imagine that same agile platform equipped with dual ultra-wide lenses, capturing complete spherical footage in every direction simultaneously. The rumored Avata 360 could allow pilots to reframe any moment from their flight in post-production, eliminating the need for multiple takes and opening entirely new creative possibilities for immersive aerial cinematography. First-person view drones revolutionized how we experience flight, putting us directly in the pilot's seat as we navigate tight spaces and execute dynamic maneuvers. The original Avata nailed this experience with its compact cine-hoop design, its obstacle sensors, and remarkable stability. But here's where things get interesting. Adding 360-degree capture capability to this formula would fundamentally change the creative possibilities. Instead of committing to a single framing choice during flight, pilots could reframe their shots in post-production, extracting traditional video from any angle or maintaining the full spherical perspective for truly immersive playback. The technical challenges of building an Avata 360 are substantial but not insurmountable. 360-degree cameras typically use dual ultra-wide lenses positioned back-to-back, capturing overlapping footage that gets stitched together in real time or during post-processing. Mounting this setup on an FPV drone creates unique problems. Weight becomes critical since every gram affects flight time and maneuverability. The camera housing needs protection from impacts while maintaining unobstructed views in all directions. Aerodynamics matter tremendously at the speeds FPV pilots demand. DJI would need to engineer a solution that balances these competing demands without compromising the agile flight characteristics that make FPV drones so thrilling. Consider the workflow advantages, though. Currently, FPV pilots often need multiple takes to capture different angles of the same flight path. With 360-degree footage, a single perfect run through a location could yield numerous traditional video clips from various perspectives. You could showcase the environment surrounding your flight line, create bullet time effects, or export standard 16:9 footage focused on specific subjects you passed. For real estate videography, action sports documentation, or location scouting, this efficiency could be transformative. Integration with existing DJI ecosystems would likely be seamless. The DJI Goggles already provide an exceptional viewing experience, and adding 360-degree playback options could let pilots review their flights with head tracking enabled, looking around the recorded environment naturally. Editing software like DJI's own apps or third-party solutions, such as Insta360 Studio, could handle the stitching and reframing processes, making the workflow accessible even for creators without extensive technical expertise. Battery life and storage would need serious consideration. 360-degree video files are massive, often requiring high-capacity memory cards and substantial processing power. The dual-lens system draws more power than conventional cameras, potentially reducing flight times from the Avata's current 15 to 20 minutes down to something less practical. DJI's engineers would need innovative power management solutions or higher capacity batteries that don't add prohibitive weight. Whether the Avata 360 materializes as imagined, or DJI takes a different approach to merging FPV flight with immersive capture, the convergence feels inevitable. As 360-degree camera technology becomes lighter, more efficient, and more affordable, integrating it into compact FPV platforms becomes increasingly feasible. The question isn't really if this technology arrives, but when and how DJI will implement it to maintain their dominant position in the consumer drone market.